I'm Jenny with Cocoa Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the journaling, deluxe journaling, and stationery kits from the January 2026 Wisdom and Wonder collection. The stationery kit is packed full of so many great items, I can hardly contain myself. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, I was blown away when I took a look at these items, and I hope you will be too. So we have our Vellum this month, and it has the beautiful florals on it. There's a touch of blues and light tan, just really lovely. And then our overlay, I'm probably a little bit difficult to see it. It has like a ledger on that. I don't know if you can see it or not. That might be a little bit better. It's really great, just nice and plain, and I actually can see using this as sort of like a dry erase board in your planner or journal, however you like to use it. I think that would be a really cool way to use this as well. We also have a sheet of die-cut PET stickers. These are wonderful because there's no cutting with scissors and anything like that. You can simply pop them right off the page. This month we also have our beautiful postcard. Has this lovely artwork on the front, and then on the back it's actually a real postcard. So you could send this in the mail to let someone know that you're thinking of them. We have a handful of sheets of stickers as well. So we have the decorative stickers, so pretty, right? And then another sheet of decorative stickers. And then our days of the week in a variety of different designs. So you can see there is the one with the rabbits and the script, so many different ones. They're gonna get you through the entire month. They're so pretty. Now we also have a pad of sticky notes, and you can see at the bottom it has the florals, and then over here it says hello in a very faint little peach font. It's such a cute design. It also has a very faint dot grid as well. I'm gonna be jotting down notes on that all month long. Next up is the Vellum die-cut stickers, or self-adhesive ephemera, whichever you prefer. These are slightly different than the other ones we've seen, as they are on our Vellum paper. So they are a little bit thinner, and they are also a little bit sheer, so you can see a little bit to the back of the page. You can see I left one little tiny snowflake in there, but there is such a huge variety in here. We have florals and so many beautiful ones. Look how big and lovely that is. I love the mix. And then there's also just the cutest little snowflakes in different configurations, like different designs and different colors, all the different little things. And you also have these little stars. Just so cute. I'm really getting excited thinking about all the different snowflakes that are included and the cute layouts we can create with all of them. A little moth, a branch, another large floral, the owl that we've seen throughout this collection, another snowflake, and then here we have another moth and florals. Plus, we also have, I don't really know if that would be a flower or a branch, so I'm not going to guess. We have a cute little blue bunny, adorable, a branch, some florals, some more of those little stars, and then also some smaller florals, snowflakes, a moon, a pink little snowflake, a light blue little snowflake, and then a little cluster of those stars. So those are the Vellum die-cut stickers, and we have a roll of, you guessed it, stickers that are like the little postage stamps. So cute. They're perforated, so all you have to do is just pull them apart, and I'll go ahead and pull this off because this is where the design starts to repeat, so you can see all of the different little included ones. So you have the moth and all the florals, plus the owl, the star, another moth, a snowflake, Just a lot of really beautiful ones. I love the texture that the perforation is going to add to these. It's super cute. Then of course we have our little pin. It also includes the pin back. However, if you would like, you can purchase in our shop. We have a giant paper clip that includes a magnet. It's right here. So you can simply pull out the little pin backing and then attach this to the clip. And then you have a decorative giant paper clip. Otherwise, just go ahead and use it as a pin. It's awesome. All right, and then last but not least in this kit, we have a Dangle Charm, and it is so cute. I hope you'll go to the website and take a look at the photo because it is adorable. So it has a little enamel clock on it, and then also has some little clear stars. So cute with gold hardware. I absolutely love this. I'm really excited about it. I think the clock is just so cute and absolutely perfect for January. So this stationery kit is wonderful. And as I alluded to, you should absolutely head to our website and click on subscribe and then choose the stationery kit, and you can see digital renderings and photos and sample projects using this kit. Now it's time for the Wisdom and Wonder Journaling Kit. This is so full of lots of details I think you're gonna love. And the journaling kit is designed to be a little bit more low profile. So if you use a bound notebook or you prefer not to have a lot of bulk in your projects, this is definitely for you. We have 2 sheets of rub-on transfers, and if you haven't used rub-on transfers before, they're so easy to use. You simply cut out the design that you want to use, for example, and then use the enclosed popsicle stick to rub it onto your page. It's almost, you can't even tell it's there if you touch it or whatever. It's just wonderful that you can layer them on top of each other. You can layer stamps, anything else on top of it too. They are just really a wonderful product. We also have a kit of our Vellum stickers. So these are a little bit thinner than our traditional paper stickers, but they are equally as beautiful. So we have this lovely decorative sheet that also includes a few washi type strips. Same thing right here. Then we also have a sheet of alphabet stickers. And then we have 2 sheets of full sheet stickers. So I could just pull this off and it would be exactly like this. A lot of people like to use these on covers or dividers. You can also cut them up and use them in shapes that work for you in your different projects. You can see this one has the watercolor and then also the little critters down there. And then here we have the days of the week and the dates, and then a handful of boxes. So those are all of the stickers that are included. So you can see there's 6 sheets of the Vellum stickers, and then there's 2 sheets of the rub-on transfers. We also have a cute little card that on the back includes 10 journaling prompts. So if you're stuck or you need an idea or you just like to follow a prompt, a lot of people do, it's very popular. This is absolutely a huge resource. And then lastly, we have a roll of floral washi tape. It's a beautiful light blue color with florals on it and also some of those cute moths that are included in the collection. And if you would like to see a little bit more close-up imagery of the journaling kit or anything else, you can absolutely head to our website and click on subscribe. Then you'll find the journaling kit and you can see digital renderings and photos of this kit as well. Let's take a look at the Wisdom and Wonder Deluxe Journaling Kit. This kit comes in our heavy-duty plastic folder that also has a Velcro closure. Now this kit is full of tons of really great items that every month we're so excited about, including 3 sheets of 13 by 8.5 patterned papers. They're a heavier weight paper, and these are also found in our planner kit. So you can see this one is a dark blue tone-on-tone dot, and then on the back side is this striped pattern, including all of the colors of the collection. Then we have this white grid with some beautiful artwork around the edges, and then also this really cute floral as well. And then we also have this floral that has the owls and all of the different types of florals with the dark background. And then the back side is this lighter color with all of the scattered stars. So very beautiful. All right, but we do have a couple of pattern papers that are exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. So there is 2 sheets. One is this very dark ledger, and then the other one is this lighter tan ledger. And when you turn it over, this one has the grid that has the lovely sprinkling of artwork, and this one has this sort of hatch pattern, and it's fantastic. It's so usable. All right, next up is a sheet of silver foiled vellum. It's absolutely beautiful. We've seen this pattern in other patterned papers, but now it has that foil on the vellum. It's absolutely beautiful. And then we also have a sheet of specialty paper, which is this light blue paper with the embossed florals. It's so pretty. Hopefully you can see that embossing. It's just absolutely stunning. I think it's gonna look great. Okay, now we also have a sheet of PET stickers, and these are kiss cut, so you don't have to cut them out and try to peel them off. They are already ready to go. All you have to do is just peel them right off. Now we do have 2 sheets of rub-on transfers, and these are found in both the Deluxe Journaling Kit and the Journaling Kit. You can see there's so many different images, and then also some splashes, and then days of the week, and some different headers and those types of things. And then we have a vellum sticker kit. This is also found in our journaling kit. And you can see all these beautiful vellum stickers. They are beautiful, and our vellum paper is ever so slightly thinner than the paper in the other sticker sheets. So if you wish to have less bulk, these are a great option. Now this sheet and then also this sheet are both full sheet stickers. So you can just peel this off and have the full sheet and stick it to something, a divider, a monthly page, something like that, or you can cut it up and use it in different ways that work for you. We also have some days of the week, and then also another sheet of decorative stickers that also have washi strips. So lots of beautiful embellishments in this kit. So pretty. Now we also have a sheet of journaling prompts. So there are 10 journaling prompts included, and these are also part of our journaling kit. And then we have a pad of sticky notes. You can see it has a unique shape this month, a nice arch with the decorative at the top and then lines at the bottom. And we have our self-adhesive ephemera or die-cut stickers, whichever way you prefer to say it. You just peel the back off and you can stick those right to your project. These are also included in our planner kit. So there's a wide variety of different bits and pieces included. You have critters and you have florals. but you also have some large tabs as well. So there's lots of different patterns, and these are great for writing, you know, different topics like in a notebook or in a planner, but they also work really well on photos and things like that. That's definitely how I like to use them a lot. So you have like a little moth right there, and then there are lots of different sizes of florals and different types. Lots of blues and tans. It's really very pretty, lots of contrast. Then you have the stars or sparkles, whichever you prefer to think of them. And there is also lots of snowflakes. And another floral, a leaf, and a last little moth. And then we also have a roll of washi tape, and this one is exclusive to this kit, and it includes some different snowflakes. Pretty. Very, very, very usable, especially in January. And then last but not least, we have a small little stamp set. Isn't that cute? I can absolutely see layering that with some different elements from this kit as well. Personally, for me, I would definitely add some rub-on, some of those little splashes of color, if you will. So this is the Deluxe Journaling Kit. If you'd like to look at a closer photo or see some pictures of the kit all together, go to our website, check out the subscribe page and find the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and you can see those photos and digital renderings right there.